Science 3. The Sun. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe the Sun. Identify the parts of the Sun. Give the function of each part of the Sun. Tell how the Sun affects living things. And enumerate ways how you can protect yourself from the Sun. Every day, you wake up in the morning and prepare for your breakfast. Then, you go to school. What object do you see in the sky that shines brightly during daytime? Yes. The object that you see in the sky that shines brightly during daytime is the Sun. The Sun is the brightest object you can see in the sky during daytime. It is the star which our planet Earth revolves around. Throughout the day, you will notice that the Sun changes position. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It is at its highest point during noontime. The Sun is very far, but it affects the living and non-living things on Earth. It is a huge ball of hot gases. It is one of the billion stars in the galaxy. It looks bigger and brighter because it is closer to Earth than any other star. It makes its own light and heat. The energy coming from the Sun is called solar energy. The Sun is made up of different layers. The innermost layer of the Sun is called the core. This layer is very hot. Most of the Sun's energy comes from the layer. Next to the core is the photosphere. This is where the light that we see from the Sun comes from. The next layer of the Sun is the chromosphere. It is the colored part of the Sun. The corona or crown is the outermost layer of the Sun. It is only visible during a solar eclipse. How does the Sun affect living things? Plants need sunlight to make food. The light from the Sun allows you to see near and far objects at daytime. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D that you need to make your bones stronger and healthier. Sunlight provides energy for animals. Some animals become very active during summer, while they sleep when the climate becomes cooler. When light strikes objects, light is changed into heat. Some objects use this heat and convert it into other forms of energy, such as electrical energy, for a solar calculator. Without the Sun, there would be no life on our planet. The heat and light of the Sun benefit not only people, but also plants and animals. However, they can also harm both living and non-living things. Morning sunlight helps people produce vitamin D. However, staying under the heat of the Sun for hours may cause headaches, heat strokes, sunburn and even skin cancer. Too much exposure to sunlight and heat may also lead to loss of body fluids. The Sun's heat makes you feel warm. When you feel warm, you often perspire. Excessive sweating may lead to loss of body fluids. This condition may also happen to animals. If they are exposed under the Sun for a long time, they may become weak. The loss of body fluids may cause them to die. In plants, the Sun's heat may lead to loss of water. It can dry up the soil and may cause plants to wilt. Study the pictures. Tell how each person in the picture protects himself or herself from the heat and light of the Sun. One. Wear sunglasses on sunny days. Avoid looking directly at the Sun. 2. Use an umbrella or a hat while walking under the Sun. 3. Do not stay long under the sun. Stay under a shady place on hot or sunny days. 4. Apply sunblock before going for a swim or before staying under the sun. 5. Drink enough water to prevent dehydration and heat stroke. To know how well you understand the lesson, let us have a short exercise. Read each question carefully and tell the correct answer. 1. What is the main source of energy on Earth? Answer: Sun. 2. What are the layers of the Sun? Answers: core, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona or crown. 3. What do you call the innermost layer of the Sun? Answer: core. 4. What do you call the outmost layer of the Sun that is only visible during a solar eclipse? Answer: corona or crown. 5. What will you use to protect your eyes from the heat of the sun? Answer: sunglasses. Great job!